Healthy family meals are a cornerstone of maintaining wellness and creating lasting habits. Start by focusing on balance, ensuring each meal includes lean proteins, whole grains, vegetables, and healthy fats. Preparing meals in advance can save time during busy weekdays. Incorporate simple recipes like baked chicken with roasted vegetables or whole grain pasta with a side of salad. Getting the family involved in the kitchen makes cooking enjoyable and encourages everyone to eat what has been prepared. Introducing variety keeps meals interesting, so experiment with different cuisines and flavors. Active breaks throughout the day are crucial for maintaining energy and focus. For families, this could mean setting aside 10 to 15 minutes to move around together. Activities like a short walk, stretching, or light yoga can improve circulation and reduce stress. These breaks are especially helpful for children, as they allow them to release energy and return to tasks with better concentration. For adults, stepping away from screens and moving the body helps prevent stiffness and fatigue. Consistent active breaks contribute to overall health and make the day more productive. Healthy smoothies are a simple way to incorporate essential nutrients into your diet. Begin with a base like water, almond milk, or plain yogurt. Add fruits such as bananas, berries, or mango for natural sweetness. Include a handful of spinach or kale to boost the nutritional value without overpowering the flavor. To make the smoothie more filling, add protein powder, chia seeds, or a tablespoon of nut butter. Experiment with combinations to find flavors that the whole family enjoys. Smoothies are versatile, so they can be a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. Family meals are also an opportunity to teach healthy eating habits to children. Explain the benefits of eating colorful vegetables or choosing whole grains over refined options. Creating a positive atmosphere at the dining table encourages mindful eating and reduces distractions like screens. Make meals an enjoyable time to connect as a family, discussing the day or sharing stories. This not only improves physical health, but also strengthens emotional bonds. Active breaks do not need to be complicated. Simple activities like dancing to a favorite song or playing catch in the yard can be enough to re-energize the body and mind. If schedules are tight, incorporate movement into routine tasks. For example, park farther from entrances or take the stairs instead of the elevator. Over time, these small actions add up and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Encouraging children to take part makes them more likely to value movement as they grow. Smoothies offer endless options for creativity and nutrition. Add a little honey or dates for extra sweetness if needed. Frozen fruits can make the texture creamier, and spices like cinnamon or ginger add unique flavors. Preparing smoothie ingredients in advance and storing them in bags in the freezer can save time during busy mornings. By focusing on nutrient-dense ingredients, smoothies can become a fun and effective way to support your health goals.